Good night, my name is Edna Constanza Rodriguez. I am going to show you development of the corporate cultures interview. 1. Would you like to recommend your organization as a good place to work? Yes, of course. I think that is organizational climate and this dedication to work its collaborators is very good. 2. Have you seen any kind of discrimination in your company? No, I have not. In fact, my company has several punishment for this kind of behaviors. 3. How often have you had access to the necessary material to do your works? I have that access whenever it's necessary. 4. How often have you given your feedback about your performance? They have always given me the feedback once a year. 5. Have you ever feel harassed at work? Yes, I have. We have felt complaints about work or overload. 6. Have you personally and professionally grown in your company? Yes, I have felt it. In fact, I am close to promotion. 7. What has been the most important thing you have achieved in your work? The most important thing has been development of skills to optimize time and achieve goals. 8. Until now, has your relationship with your boss been good? Yes, it had. 9. Have you had any problems with a partner? No, I have not. 10. Have you ever talked about changing job? No, I have not. I am very happy to belong to this great company. Thank you.